Hi, this is Zukile Mkalale from Notam. Today I will be taking you through the pricing plans for the Notam platform. When you arrive on the homepage, you will click the pricing link and there you'll be presented with 4 pricing plans. Free, which is the freemium plan, where we only charge you for what you use. Pro, which is our pro plan, which is 1,500 Rand per month. This has certain limitations like 2,000 images per map. It doesn't include any AI analytics. And you have restricted amount of export formats. Our third pricing plan is the advanced plan, which is 5,500 Rand a month. This one includes 4,000 images per map and includes built-in AI analytics. For more advanced clients looking for more custom solution, we've got our enterprise solution where they can custom fit the platform and the services to their unique